What's up, guys? RJ over here, and I am in a little bit of a pickle tonight because I just came back from the Drift League Tech, and I did not pass one main safety concern, which is my seats. So my seats have been expired for the past year and a half. So basically, in order for me to compete, I have to buy a new seat, and I have a week to buy the seat, get it shipped, and basically put it in my car. So I've been looking around, and a few people have told me, bro, you have to go to this website. They are based out in the UK, if I'm not mistaken, and they have like the hookup when it comes to safety and some other parts. So anyway, I went to this website, demotweaks.com, and basically I started searching and browsing what I needed. So I went to motorsports, seats, and from there, went to competition seats. They have a few different ones. Anyway, I put what I wanted. I know right off the bat that I wanted some Sparco seats, and basically I just came up with all these deals. And look at this: the Sparco Rev 330, the Grid 351, dude, the Evo, 477. I mean, those deals are freaking super freaking stupid. So basically, what I'm going to do, I am going to make an order from them. I'm going to make that order from, or actually with you guys, and then we're going to see if they come over. So uh, let's cross fingers. Let's hope this happens. Let's hope it's not a scam. And if it's not, you guys have the official plug for where to buy some safety equipment. So let's do this together. Awesome. I got some free gifts. Oh, that's my bucket. But I gotta continue shopping. Holy freaking crap. The Conquest for 278 bucks. That is beyond freaking cheap. The OMP Evo race suit, oh my gosh, that thing is freaking unreal for 150 bucks. Dang, these are way too good to pass. It's insane. Wow, they even have custom designed suits, which is amazing. That's a pretty sweet suit right there. But since I don't know exactly if it is a legit site or not, I think I'm gonna go for this one. Oh, dang, they have some good colors. The blue on white is sick. So that's black and white. Dark blue and silver. Ooh. What about the red and white? That is sick. Yeah, that's legit. Oof, I don't know what size I am. I think I am a 52. Dang. Let's see. Oh wait, over here, OMP size, what is this? An OMP. So I am, where is this, an FIA? Yes it is. 50, crap. I do not know it in centimeters. So let's make a little bit of research in this. So basically what I'm doing right now is making a little research into what is my OMP suit size chart, because we know it in, oh, there you go. I don't know in centimeters. So wait, I am 145, height 5'4" to 5'7". Oh, so I'm a 48. So inches and then metric. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So I am a 48 suit size. That is freaking awesome. Chest. Okay. Waist 33, 34. Hips. Okay. So I am a 48. So basically, if you guys are, actually, you know what? No, I'm just gonna show you exactly, you know, the size chart for OMP. Basically, that's exactly, and I fit right there. So I am 5'6", and I weighed 145, and the rest, I don't care. But I am a 148 based on that. So if you're above 5'5" to 5'9", you would be size 50. But the waist is 34, 35. That's a little too high for me. In theory, I am right here. I am in between 46 and 48, but I'm just gonna go for the 48 because I'm a father and I know that I'm gonna get fat. So basically, I started browsing the freaking website for the past like 45 minutes, and I started selecting a whole bunch of crap, and then I realized that I am not rich. So I started deleting a whole bunch of crap, and now I have this, and this is exactly what we're going to order. So we're going to get the Sparkle Circuit in standard for myself since I'm a little smaller. We're getting some side seat mounts for free, some hardware for free, and a Sparkle Grid, a little larger, for the people who want to jump in and ride along with me. And my total cost shipped to the US is $1,000 basically, 1,064, which is dirt cheap. So we're going to go to check out. I have already filled out my information, and that's that. Basically, shipping to the US is $335, which is what we selected. And once again, our total cost is $1,064. Since I do not want to pay with my card, I'm going to pay with my PayPal. Basically, I will trust that this is a little safer. But you know what? With my credit card, I could get points. So, you know what? Let's do the card. So like that we get some more points. So, and now we have the order ready. And that's that. So let's see if the seats come. So a little update about yesterday's purchase. I just got an email right now from the company that the items have been shipped. So And actually I want to show you guys, you know, their timeline, because it is already kind of impressive on how quick they work. So basically, as you could see, I ordered my stuff at February 19th, and it was like around 10 p.m. So like around 10:25 p.m. Awesome. So basically, you know, I ordered my stuff, blah blah blah, and it was all good. Then at 4:05 a.m., not even 5 hours later or 6 hours later, my stuff had shipped, which is freaking amazing. So, and I am super excited to get it over here on my hands, basically. So I've heard from other people that it takes somewhere around 5 to 7 days for their products from the UK to arrive to the US. So let's cross fingers. I mean, 7 days at that price, it's definitely worth a try. So see you guys in a second. So a little update about the purchase. It is Friday the 23rd, I think, and ha! The box has arrived. And you know what? Truly, this company has so far surpassed my expectations. I ordered this on Tuesday. By Wednesday, I got my first email saying that it was shipped, and it is Friday, and it's literally inside my house. So from Tuesday in the UK till Friday in the US in California. So let's open the box and see what's going on inside. Oh yeah. Packaging, but still somewhat good. So first things first, I do have to say that these are very, very, very nice. They are extremely light, and these are of course a racing seat, Sparco, whatever, Vienney, page number, and you know, they come with some instructions in how to do your stuff. Same thing, these are the grid cues with the detachable pads, and these are very freaking nice. Ridiculous. So definitely good quality. We could see over here, what is it, the certification. I'm sorry for the low light. And man, I do have to say that these are super freaking light. It is ridiculous.